Ryder sits up first.
What's Ghost favorite part of Radiator Springs? The dead end.
Y échenle un ojo a sus pequeños.
Had a bunch of men saying it's playing with me. I started shaking and I said that dumb.
Come on in and grab yourself a trailer. We fitting to put the boo in the JamBOOree. Happy Halloween, everybody. It's me, mate. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt. Yes, adentro de sus gorritos. Y échenle un ojo a sus pequeños. Miss Lizzie's favorite subject was in school? Spelling. Get it? Spelling. Well, I was working in my shed late one night when she creeped up. She took my life with 6 big old tires and rolled right eyes. And rolled right out. She took me by surprise. Everybody needs a toe. That's what it's all made. Welcome, foolish motors. Come on in and grab yourself a trailer. We think to put the boo.
We all fit in one?
Hey, trunk of trailers. It's me. It's extra spooky out here, so listen good. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and keep your hands, arms, feet, legs inside your trailer. Keep an eye on your little monster trucks. You never know in my graveyard JamBOOree. Hold on,
We'll say hi to Light McGee from Photo.
Pardon me, excuse me, get to one side, please. Towing genius,